everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate, and today I am coming along with something different. I am actually super excited to share with you guys my latest haul. I want to say it's a haul. Well, anyways, I do have to blame Miss Makaz from Makaz Home here on YouTube. So this is the Stamps of Life. I went ahead and subscribed to their monthly subscription. This is the, oh my gosh, the card. Yeah, card. Oh my goodness. Monthly subscription, and oh my gosh, like, oh my goodness. Anyways, so I saw her May haul, and yeah, and oh my gosh, she got so many pretty. So I went ahead, and I believe that was a week and a half ago, I went ahead and decided to join. Now I didn't get the box for May, I got the one for June. Now unfortunately, the May was sold out, so I was a little too late for that. They did give me an option to choose from previous, I guess, previous collections that they had not sold out on. I didn't really like any of them. I did like one, but yet again, they sold out on that one too. So they basically gifted me the total amount of the card club. There you go, card club. So I could just go ahead and purchase what I wanted. So I will show you that in a minute. So let's go ahead and check the June. Yes, your June. So I actually opened this yesterday because I was so excited. It was my first box, and I still enjoy watching it. So apparently Maka said that for now until December, I believe, they will be giving you at least 2 additional die cuts, which is awesome. Yes. So I believe they also have 3 different levels in their clubs. They have a die club, they have a card making club, and then they have the, I believe it's the die hard, or is it? Yeah, which is basically both of them together. So it's up to you which one you want to use. I had to message Maka to find out which one she does. She does actually both of them. I only did by then I had already subscribed to the card. So I went ahead and really excited. Anyway, so sorry you guys, I'm rambling on. So these were my free June dies. Yay, look at how cute. So keys, I believe I have one die that has a key, but I like that different option. It's a heart one, it's a 3-circle one, and it's just a regular one. Awesome. And look at the little ballenita, the whale. Oh my goodness, that was so cute. Yay, so excited. So they had this bling. Cute. I love the colors yellow. They're really cute. I hope you guys are not getting too much glare. Okay, and then they got these little I want to say they're suede bows. These are so cute. I hope you guys could see that. And they had ribbon here. So this one's a simple ribbon, and this one's like a little textured ribbon. I hope you guys could see that. There you go. And then I got, this is what's included. Okay, this is something else. This is what it's included on the June kit, and these are the stamps. And this one says, "When I am with you, sun shines a little brighter. You shine with kindness. On your accomplishment, enjoy success." And that actually says congratulations on the top. Hello friend, have a cool day. And that's it. And these are the stamps that are included. These are the regular stamps that are usually included with this, and usually they all have to match together. So this one's a little seashell, and this one's a sunshine phrase, and this one's the one that has for the shadow, it has the phrase and the shadow in the back die cut, as well as this one. And now when you are the card kit, there you go, it's a sunshine collection. They include this in here and give you ideas. And when you are a member, a club member, you get a 15% off if you're just subscribed to one of them. But if you're a diehard, you get 20% on everything. So that's awesome. So I got this beautiful paper pad. I love the colors. You guys could see. Look at this right here. You guys, hopefully you guys can see. So now they have the die. Then that one comes with the die club. There's a die hard. So this is the die club, and this are comes. That's what they got for this month. So this is the seashell, and this is what I will be using to die cut these right here. So there you go. Aren't these cute? These are so darn adorable. I love this. I fell in love with this, and this color, oh my goodness. So anyways, there you go. I think I'm already repeating myself. There you go. So there you go. And then it had these cute stickers, sunglasses. Oh, they're so cute. And then they also send you with the cardstock and some envelopes, and there is about 12 envelopes, so it's supposed to make at least 12 cards. I've heard it's actually, you're able to make more. Okay, so there you go. That's all it comes in this one kit. So yay. So let me go ahead and continue on with my other story. So as I had mentioned, they had to issue me a gift card for the amount of the May box, since it had sold out. And what I ended up getting for that one was all these. I got this. I got these. Now, if you go to their website, you would have to browse through all of them. There are some of the dies are, I believe, $6.99. I think I saw one or two that were $4.99. Honestly, I had to stop myself because I kept on adding stuff onto my card and then taking them away. So these are the ones that I got. Look at this, is so cute. So this one says good luck. It's supposed to be a piggy bank, and there you go. And this one's ouch. Feel better soon, and Band-Aid, and how cute. And then I got this one. So in order for me because this was actually on sale, I think this was $6.99. So in order to match it up with the stamp, I had to get the stamp, but I got all this for that price. So awesome. Look at you guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 stamps. Not bad. I think it was an awesome deal. If you guys are interested, go over to their website, check them out. Anyways, so when she had emailed me and told me that they were going to give me a gift card, she said they were still going to send me my freebies for the month of May. So they gifted me this. I received this yesterday as well, and gifts for May. Enjoy. And look at the hedgehog. I actually had this in my shopping cart and took it off because I like something else better, and I'm so excited I didn't get it because I would have had to. And then this one too, which is a circle, what is it, not scallop, oh my gosh, with that little things on the bottom, the side. Anyways, there you go. So I'm very pleased. I'm very happy so far. I will be continuing this on until my monthly allowance is no longer available to me. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Hopefully you guys like what I showed you guys today, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.